section of hair. You're gonna start like a quarter of the way down, roll it up to the root. I hold it for like 5 seconds. And then without changing anything, I just pull it underneath itself, and then I pull it down, roll it back up, hold it again. And so here, watch, I'm not lifting up the clamp or anything. I just pull it out, roll it down, and you repeat all the way through the end of the hair. And then it should look like that. Okay, again, roll up to the root. Unwind, pull down, roll back up, unwind it. So it's pretty quick. Now I'm gonna do this piece going the opposing way, because I learned one time when I got my hair done is that after you pass the point of your ear, you should switch the sides, so alternate which direction you go. And that makes it more of like a beachy look. Roll the other way. Hold it, unwind, roll down, same process. Roll back up. Okay, and I always like to just leave the end kind of straight, because that gives it also more of a beachy, didn't try very hard look.